Ngikhulele Orlando, specifically eSoweto, eMzimhlophe.
Khulele Mphongolo. My first memory with DSTV should be 2010. Yeah. Makuzodlala World Cup. So kufanele uyocela kubangani.
I also had to watch TV next door. And sometimes ngena nginkathi ezirong sekuyaphakiwe yabo. Sure. Yeah, so as soon as ngithola DSTV could watch super sport channels, yabo.
All the way through, it's got in.
Standard for me like rugby, cricket, MotoGP, Formula 1, tennis.
Yeah, I'm a fan of tennis, yeah.
We all know the king is Nadal.
He's the king of clay.
There is Novak, who's on top of his game.
Sport on DSTV. Choose my ketela.